big problem to people.
Let's go and prepare tonight.
Maybe it is, sir.
Maybe it's big and terrible. In the forest. What will you sell? I will sell this puppet. This Pinocchio. I'm not a puppet. I'm a real boy. Next.
This donkey. This donkey can talk.
He can talk.
I can fly.
He can talk. He can fly. Amazing.
You can see that fly. Whoops.
Uh-oh. Susan.
Please help me.
Where?
Of course, to them.
Hey, ogre. Bring that donkey. Are you sure? Look at your soldiers.
Oh, thank you for helping me. By the way, what's your name?
I'm Shrek.
Oh, you live here? It's dirty. Ew.
Yes, of course.